Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to take a look in the box of the Voxpree Percussion Massage Gun. Now just looking real quick here, it says it's 3,200 percussions per minute, has a 7-hour battery life, humanized button. Don't know what a humanized button is, but it sounds cool. Okay. 12 millimeter amplitude, 75 N torque, don't know what that is, 200 watt instantaneous power, low noise at less than 45 decibels, and high quality UV curing paint. I guess that's just the color paint that's on here. It's kind of weird for a feature, but alright. 15 to 160 watts, 800 grams. Alright, so we'll check this out. It's kind of showing me real quick what comes in the box. I've seen these online. A lot of these chiropractors and sports medicine people will use these, so I've seen them, and they all do sell usually between $80 and up. So you can check these out. The link for this one is actually going to be below, and we will do a review and actually show you how it works and what we think about it. Okay, so in the box we have this nice, pretty hard, clamshell type case. So that's awesome. You know how much that I love getting cases. Open that up right there. Alright. So first, in the box here, we have our little getting started guide to, welcome, this is what it is. I know what I got here. Alright, what's this? Alright, actually has some decent weight to it. Pretty nice looking, for sure. So I don't know if it's going to do anything out of the box, but that is pretty cool. Kind of, it's like a hair dryer slash impact wrench almost, if we could say it like that. And then it also has that in the box, which must just go into the bottom there, and that's gonna go against your body. Here's another little piece. This is all I guess that's gonna go in there. This is it's plastic. It's a harder plastic, very light though, we'll say that off the bat. What else? We have some other fun little attachments here. So all these different things are different attachments for different types of massages that you're going to want to use. So there's another one, and I will show you the box, what it looks like real quick. Also has another little soft carrying case, which is also pretty cool. So that's really nice, as well as this hard clamshell case. Finally, in the box, the last thing is our charger. So you're going to make sure you want to label that so you know what that's actually going to charge, and there is a spot for that too. So if I go ahead without dumping this stuff out, you'll see that there's all little spots for all the different pieces for the massage gun. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to plug it in, charge it up, try it out, and then make sure you like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon, come back, and let's actually test this thing out and see really how it performs. Again, I've heard and watched other videos of some really great things that these massage guns can do. So excited to try it out. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. This again was the Voxpree massage gun, and we'll see you soon.